Welcome, gamers, to an exciting new era in gaming innovation. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the latest breakthrough from NVIDIA that is set to revolutionize your gaming experience like never before. Introducing the new NVIDIA App, your gateway to unparalleled gaming performance, immersive visuals, and seamless optimization. So let's download it and see what's new we are getting in it. At this moment, this app is in beta phase, and you may face some bugs or instability. Personally, it is working for me perfectly without any issue. By scrolling down, you can see main featured highlights of this new app. Once it is downloaded, just simply open the Setup exe. Here it will show you that it replaces the old GeForce Experience app automatically by itself, but NVIDIA Control Panel will still remain installed. Choose driver preference according to your need. Turn on or off automatic game or software optimization as your need. The best thing about this new NVIDIA app is that now there's no NVIDIA account login needed to access this app like we used to do in old GeForce Experience app. You can access any feature in this app straight after opening it without any account login hassle, like updating GPU drivers, screen recording, optimizing games, and many more. Let's talk about all the new changes one by one. In first tab, we can see a home page where it shows all the installed games and creativity software library. By clicking on them, it will bring you into Graphics tab, where you can customize graphics settings as your preference, or you can just optimize any of games or program in just one click. Moving into the second, Driver tab. Now updating your GPU driver is a lot better and informative. Addition of new reinstall driver button will be helpful if you are facing any GPU driver issue. And with what's new and what's fixed detailed information, you can get better information on what to expect from every driver update that you're gonna install. Moving into third, Graphics tab. Like I said, in first tab details, you can individually optimize or set graphics preference, but the new addition is global settings like we have in old NVIDIA Control Panel graphics settings. Now making changes into global graphics settings is a lot easier and faster, as we all know that old NVIDIA Control Panel was very slow and laggy no matter how much faster your system is. Now you can DSR, image scaling, power management settings, and more without going into NVIDIA Control Panel. However, there are many settings that are still not available in this app that are available only in NVIDIA Control Panel. Hopeful NVIDIA will bring more features and settings into this app in future updates of this app, and will make it a better unified app for NVIDIA GPU users, so user can also get rid of old NVIDIA Control Panel. Coming on to last two tabs. We are still getting a reward bundle section like we had in old GeForce Experience. However, you will need to log in your NVIDIA account to redeem them. And last one is Settings tab, where you can all system information like your CPU, RAM, GPU, and storage have installed into your system. There are also some other settings that you can look into and set as per your preferences. Now let's talk about some new in-game feature and user interface changes. Pressing Alt+Z will still bring you NVIDIA overlay on screen as we used to get in GeForce Experience. But the big change here you can see is that now overlay is not taking full screen like it used to in old GeForce Experience. This makes it more convenient for user, also less screen space taking. With new overlay, you first get to see a new gallery section where you can see all previous screen recording with thumbnail. You also get quick buttons of many features like screen recording start and pause, screenshot, game filter, microphone preference, and performance overlay. Talking about performance or statics overplay, now it got a whole new makeover. Now you can fully customize every element of statics overlay in any way whichever you like. If you go to into gear icon, it will get into some preferences settings. From here, you can change your shortcut keys for overlay, or you can change audio preferences for your screen recording, or you can change storage location for your screen recordings and screen recording preferences like bitrate, FPS, screen resolution, and more. There's no doubt this new NVIDIA app is far better and modern piece of software that users can rely on, and it is good to see that NVIDIA is now finally listening to their product's user base. As this app is still in beta phase, so we can definitely expect more upcoming features and changes in future, and hopefully they will some more important settings from NVIDIA control panel to this app and make it one perfect unified app like we see for AMD GPU users. So that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please like this video and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. So, thank you for watching. We will come back with new video. As for now, goodbye and happy gaming.